Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grapple gun in Unity. So if you guys didn't see the last video, make sure you go check that out or else it won't work. So if you go do that, you should have all this stuff if you do my other video. Then when you do so, let's get started. So under the main camera, you're going to create empty, and we're going to call that gun place, I guess. Then we're going to do this, create 3D object cube. We're going to make that small, just like this. There, now we're going to rotate it. Now we're going to move it to where we want it. Okay, so let's say I want it right there. So once you do that, you're going to create a new one under the gun place. Create empty. Call this gun tip. Click on it. Then you're gonna move the, delete this cube. Let's hurry and just make this grapple gun. Once we make the grapple gun, we're gonna create empty. Then we're gonna call this gun tip. And then there, it should be in there. Now we did that correct. We're gonna move this up right here. Then to our grapple gun, come down here, add a line render. Okay, yeah, pretty much. And you're gonna scroll down the width, change it from 1.0 to 0.1. It's about good. That's like good. And then link in the description, the Grapple Gun Script. So go to your Grapple Gun, scroll to the bottom, put in your Grapple Gun Script. Link in the description, obviously. And then what is so what can you grapple able? So if you didn't see the other video, it wouldn't work. I'm gonna put ground because this is ground, as you can see up here. Ground. So now that we can grapple to that, we're not quite done. Grapple gun. This gun tip. This is where the grapple is going to come out. Drag your gun tip to the gun tip. Then your camera. Not the main camera, just the camera that we made. Right here. And then drag the player into the player. Then there, you guys can put like blocks in the sky and then go and then click on them and then change the default to gun tip, or not gun tip, ground. And then there, look, now we can move and we can also grapple, as you can see. There. So look, see, now the grappling works. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If it was, like the video and subscribe. It'd help out a lot. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.